How are you friends? Hope you are fine. Thanks for coming on the video. In today's video I am going to tell you how to swap your face in any image in free with phone. Like this. So let's go to our video. Open Google and search Remake AI. Then scroll up. Now you will see the swap face free option. Click on it. Now you will see something like this on the mobile screen. Remember you have desktop site fast. Now upload the original image on which you want to create your face. If you don't have it, there are already many available here. Let's check them. Now choose your image. Click on swap face and see the magic. Now click the download and download easily. Now choose another image. Do same again. Click allow. See, your image is downloaded. Choose your another image. Do same again and again. If you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe the channel for more good videos.